Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Dash air fryer and confirming the basket is clean. This prevents smoke and uneven cooking. Once powered, set the temperature and preheat for 3–5 minutes so the cooking chamber stabilizes. While it preheats, pat ingredients dry and apply a thin coat of oil to promote browning and prevent sticking. Make sure pieces are similar size for even cook time. Doing these first steps shortens total time and improves texture and crispness. You load the basket in a single layer to allow hot air circulation. Overcrowding causes soggy spots. Once loaded, set the exact temperature and timer from your recipe. The Dash often cooks slightly faster, so subtract a few minutes for testing. Halfway through, shake or flip items to expose all sides. This creates even browning. If cooking fragile or marinated foods, use a perforated parchment or divider to prevent sticking, and you finish by testing internal temperature and letting food rest 3–5 minutes to redistribute juices. This improves flavor and texture. If it's underdone, increase temperature by 10 degrees or add time in 1–2 minute increments rather than a long extension, because short bursts prevent overcooking. If you see smoke, reduce excess oil, clean the basket, and add a 1/4 cup of water to the drip tray to stop burning drips. These quick fixes keep the appliance running safely and food tasting great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.